Ready?
Okay, I'll be nervous, but okay.
Hey guys, it's Chris from Heat Press Nation, and today I'm with
Izzy from the Funnel Cake Tree, and we are going to check out Puff Final. Is that what it is?
It's gonna be Siser EasyPuff.
Okay, I use only like Puff screen printing ink, so I have no idea how to do this.
So this will be your first time?
It'll be my first time ever. I didn't even know they had Puff Final.
Okay.
So I'm very excited for this.
Let's do it.
Okay, do you just lay it on top or, okay, yeah.
I just laid on top.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's even...
Good. And then what I usually do is I move the center pouch area off the platen so then it can press evenly onto
That is smart. I was gonna...
the hoodie.
Okay.
Yeah, all good, all good.
I wasn't gonna do it. I was gonna ask, should we do that?
Okay. That should be good. And we're using really firm pressure. Okay, go ahead.
I'm good. All right. Let's see. I think that's even. Okay.
Do you do anything to measure off from the collar? Or do you have a certain trick that you use?
So what I used to do is I used to do my knuckles. I would count. I go 1, 2,
okay,
3, and now I just eyeball it.
3 is usually the go-to.
It's about 3 inches. Yeah. So we typically, so this one is a full front. So as you can see, also because it's on a hoodie, it's way closer. It's about an inch and a half
Yeah, because hoodies
down.
sit back, right? Okay.
And it's like, you know, it's just taking over the chest. It's something small like this. We always do 3 inches down, like 2 3/4 inches to 3 inches down. So that's because it sits directly on the chest. You don't want it too high. Right here, that's the best. So 3 inches down, or your pointer finger knuckle.
Okay. See, what I found out was the more I adjust it, the more wonky it turns.
I think that's good.
Yeah, so your first initial.
We'll see now.
Yeah. You want to do the honors?
Sure.
And I use very firm pressure just so it all rises like.
Oh my God.
Go ahead,
That
jump
is
on it,
so-
jump on it, jump on it.
Jump on.
There you go. Rise it up. And then go ahead and peel.
I'm like so excited for this. Oh my God.
Nice.
This is, okay.
Good job.
I'm so
That's really
excited
good,
for this.
yeah.
Again, I had no idea that like Puff Final was a thing. I'm like, this is it.
Did you want to do the flowers? And where do you want to put it?
Sure. I was thinking maybe the sleeves,
The sleeves?
but I don't know. Now I'm kind of like, it would kind of look cool on the pocket. Yeah, no, I just want to be like, I want to spearhead it so people will be like, I like what they do. But I'm like, pocket prints like this would be cool.
I like the offset. You know, it's like asymmetrical.
Yeah, I think that's cute. We'll try that.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay,
Here, I'll press it down.
thank you. You're like, not good.
There it is. Go ahead and peel.
I'm so,
Peel and reveal.
yeah, I love this so much. I feel like too, I want to be one of those things, like I'm raving about this so much, I have to be like, this is not sponsored or anything. I genuinely love this much.
This is it.
I'm geeking out so much about this. God,
Nice.
it looks so good.
Go ahead, take it off.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Ooh. I literally
You like
cannot
it?
believe this.
Go ahead, show the camera.
Okay, let's see. I'm not sure about it on the pocket, but I'm like, it's kind of cute.
I like it on the pocket. I do. It's
I feel
different.
like
Yeah.
It is. I would love to do a whole bunch of different colors. How many colors does this come in?
So it comes in all the colors that regular Siser Easy Weed comes in.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
There we go. Got the pocket on it.
Good job, Izzy.